Hi everyone, I'm truly excited to bring you a full course playlist on our YouTube channel Learn Awesome dedicated to HTML background images. Background images allow you to add visual appeal to your web page or sections of a web page without getting in the way of other HTML elements. If used creatively, they add a lot of value in making your web page stand out from the crowd. They can help draw attention to specific areas of a web page, help in setting theme, tone, or mood of a website, like for example, adding a serene landscape for travel website to get users excited before they even read the content. Add a textured background to make an otherwise bland black and white web page more interesting. Background images have the power to transform a dull web page into an aesthetically pleasing, immersive experience. In this series or playlist, we are going to cover background image concepts and how to add and manipulate them on your web page using HTML and CSS with a dedicated video around each concept. There is much emphasis on live coding all concepts and seeing the results for yourself, and you are highly encouraged to follow along and code by hand. Our editor of choice is Visual Studio Code. The playlist is applicable to both experienced and beginner web developers. For beginners, we have a video to set up coding environment in Visual Studio Code to get started so you won't miss anything. Our channel also has yet another full stack development course playlist to help you get from absolute beginner to advanced full stack developer. Be sure to check out other content on our channel. If not in playlist already, please select the playlist link from end screen or description to get started.